Hundreds of cars piled up in the major Italian highway on Monday after being damaged by a massive hailstorm, which left several people injured, brought down trees, and caused damage in several regions. Videos online show hail, which reached the size of a tennis ball, bombarding the ground amidst strong winds and rains in a truly frightening sight. Hundreds of cars were stuck in a traffic jam on the A1 highway not far from the city of Parma in northern Italy. Numerous windshields were smashed by the hail, forcing drivers to stop as they couldn't see the road. Several collisions were reported, while some people were lightly injured by broken glass. Traffic on the highway was halted for several hours due to the weather. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button.